What's up, y'all? Hope you're doing well. Today we're going to be doing some tinfoil dinners and some healthy ones at that. We're going to be testing out the Losty Forge Puko here, as well as a Bowman made blade, which we'll pull out in a minute. So these are going to be super simple. We got like organic potatoes and carrots, multicolored varieties, because I think they're probably more nutritious, but at least they're also entertaining because they have these absolute beautiful colors. Now I noticed that because of the width of this blade, it's not the best at food prep, but you can see that it's actually not the worst either. He was able to pull that Scandi edge back far enough that it doesn't wedge too poorly, at least in these smaller potatoes here. You can see it doesn't do too bad in these larger potatoes either. It is a little bit more difficult, but not too bad. Now you can see here how it kind of wedges a little bit. But like I said, for a Scandi Puko style blade, it doesn't do that bad. I'm pretty happy with it. Better than nothing, that's for sure.
This is a flat spot area. You should move this because this can be more stable on certain areas than a tent can. So this can be, like, you just need...
Alright, so we're pulling out a new blade here. This is a Bowman made knives blade. I call it the Jade Ghost. It's got some Jade Ghost scales on it. And it is awesome. It really excels at this type of work here. It's a very slicey knife, thinner profile than the other one, and a completely different grind. It's got kind of like a false Scandi, or a Scandi-esque with a micro bevel sort of kind of deal. So as you can see, it's just tearing through stuff rather quickly here. Alright, we got banana boats left, tinfoil dinners cooling off. Alright, oh gosh. A little dark now, but tinfoil dinner's going. Purple potatoes, purple carrots are pretty cool. They taste pretty good too.